Ladies and gentlemen, most welcome to One Time TV in collaboration with Zande Pictures. Today we are here shooting a video of one of the legendary artists from Budo State, that is Yambe, Western Equatoria, South Sudan. And I'm just here to ask some questions on One Time TV. We are going to hear more from her. You are most welcome to One Time TV today. We are happy that you came through.
Thank you so much for hosting me. It's my pleasure to work with you.
Yeah. So first of all, I did not mention the name for the fans because the fans, some of them, they know you. You're already big. They know you. They know who is on the set today. But there are others, those ones down there, they still don't know who is on the set. Please, can you tell us the name?
All right. I'm called Suije, the West Vibrator, Turuturu Meme, Manga. Manga yeah, the honey pot. Yeah. West Vibrator.
Pepe soup.
Live here at Zande Picture.
Yeah.
Today we are going to shoot Mene Mene. So just accept whatever is coming your way.
Yeah, this song Mene Mene, it has been online for over, if I'm not mistaken, maybe 1 year or something. And the song is really, it is a song that people love. What can you say with this project? What can you say about this particular project?
This project, it will be the video of the year. That's what I'm predicting.
The video of the year.
Because the time I released the audio, it was already hitting 21 viewers on my YouTube. Yeah. So I'm telling my fans to be ready for this hot video. I'm promising them it's going to be hot. It's
going to be a hot one. So the song is talking about Mene Mene. Mene Mene being that, Lugambo, someone who talks a lot. Was it a direct message to someone, or it was just a mayor?
That was not a direct message, but it's general. Yeah, I'm trying to educate the public that we need to avoid the Lugambo. Yeah. It will kill us one day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We really appreciate your being on One Time TV. We did not know such a legend like you can be here with us today, but we really appreciate this. What can you tell your fans there who are waiting for this project like Badil of?
My fans out there, please get ready. Those who are not who haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, go now and subscribe and wait for the video. And I'm telling you to always believe in your people. I'm so glad and proud to work with the One Time TV, and it's our duty to promote our own. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you too. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our interview. Maybe we shall get back to you later on. I was right here, opportunity to host with the legendary singer, from Western Equatoria, South Sudan.
Fashion, international, international.